Hey cultivators, do you want a job that's climate resilient, tech-driven, and helps feed the world? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 future-proof careers in hydroponics and urban farming for 2025 and beyond. Whether you want to run your own vertical farm, design smart systems, or get into agri-tech, this video is for you. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share real salary ranges, the skills you'll need, and how you can get started today. Let's grow. First up, the hydroponic farm manager. This is the person who runs the show. They oversee daily operations, manage planting schedules, monitor water and nutrient levels, handle pests, and make sure the crops are perfect from microgreens to lettuce to herbs. Salary? Anywhere from $45,000 to $90,000 a year, depending on the size of the farm and your experience. Large urban farms or commercial greenhouses pay even more. Skills you need? A mix of plant science, basic plumbing, a bit of tech, people management, and data tracking. Good news. You don't always need a degree, but horticulture or agriculture science helps. Good news. You don't always need a degree, but horticulture or agriculture science helps. How to start? Try an internship at a local hydroponic or greenhouse farm, volunteer in community gardens, or even run your own small hydroponic setup at home. Show you can grow, literally. Show you can grow, literally. Next, the hydroponic system designer. This is perfect if you love engineering and problem solving. These pros design custom hydroponic systems for homes, restaurants, or massive vertical farms. They figure out the best lighting, pumps, nutrient delivery, and layouts to maximize yield and efficiency. Salary? Around $60,000 to $110,000, and freelance designers can make even more if they develop niche systems for urban spaces. Skills you need? CAD design, plumbing basics, electrical know-how, and an understanding of plant needs. Many come from architecture, mechanical engineering, or sustainable design. How to start? Take online courses in hydroponic system design, practice building small rigs at home, and post your builds on social media. Your designs can get you freelance clients fast. Now let's talk agri-tech engineers, the people building the future of smart farming. Think AI-controlled nutrient dosing, IoT sensors that monitor pH, or robots that harvest greens. These roles are exploding as vertical farms automate more tasks. Salary? $70,000 to $120,000, plus stock options if you join an agri-tech startup. Skills you need? Software development, electronics, robotics, and a passion for sustainability. Many agri-tech pros come from computer science or mechanical engineering backgrounds. How to start? Look for internships with agri-tech startups. Learn Arduino or Raspberry Pi to prototype smart farming tools, and join open-source farming tech communities. Number 4. The urban farm consultant. Cities worldwide are investing in local food systems, and they need experts who know how to design, set up, and run profitable urban farms. From rooftop hydroponics to indoor vertical setups, you help schools, restaurants, and hotels grow their own fresh food. Salary? Freelancers charge $30 to $100 per hour, or run projects worth $50,000 plus each. Skills you need? A broad understanding of hydroponics, business, local regulations, and sustainability best practices. Plus, good communication skills. You'll work with chefs, architects, and city planners. How to start? Document your own hydroponic builds, share case studies online, and network with local urban gardening communities. Word of mouth is huge in this field. And number 5, the big dream. Vertical farm entrepreneur. This is for the bold ones who want to build and run their own farm business. Whether you grow microgreens for restaurants, supply fresh herbs to supermarkets, or deliver salad greens by subscription, the sky's the limit. Well, technically the ceiling, but you get the point. Income? Small microgreen farms can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month on just a few shelves. Larger commercial setups can scale into 6-figure revenue per year, if you get your marketing, distribution, and quality right. Skills you need? All of the above. Growing, systems design, business planning, marketing, and grit. How to start? Test a small crop at home, sell to a few local restaurants, refine your system, then scale up when demand grows. Look for local grants. Many cities fund urban agriculture startups. So there you have it. 5 future-proof careers you can grow into with hydroponics and urban farming. Which one excites you the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you're serious about turning your green passion into a real job, I highly recommend checking out a modern hydroponic certificate course. It's a flexible online program where you'll learn everything from system design to crop management to business planning, straight from industry experts. I'll drop a link in the description so you can start growing your skills right after this video. It's perfect whether you're a student, a career switcher, or a future farm entrepreneur. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more ways to grow your future with Maximum Cultivator. Until next time, stay green and keep cultivating. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more ways to grow your future with Maximum Cultivator. Until next time, stay green and keep cultivating.